It's Saturday and it's the 14th of March. I feel like I've not filmed anything for ages, but I haven't, have I? So, what's the tea? I'll be very quick because I'm getting fed up of editing, rambling shite. So, the cleaning job is going okay, I think. We're just figuring out how to make it work and make it fit in with our routine, and it'll take a while to kind of perfect things and, you know, get a good rhythm, but so far it's going okay. It's very hard physically. It's a lot. There's a lot to do, but it's not a bad thing because I'm getting loads of steps in. So yeah, that can only be good. Everything else going all right. The house is going well. Can't remember if I've said now or not. No, I don't think I have. So we've had an update on the moving time scale, and they're estimating around July, which actually, when we first started doing this, I guessed it would be around June, July. So in June, the house is being handed over from the builder to the housing company, and then we do the transaction then to buy the house from them. So yeah, so we're looking at July at the moment, which is great because it just means we've got more time to prepare. We've got a bit of time to build up the pot of money again because that's getting wiped out very quickly with like unexpected costs and things like that. And that's why I've got this cleaning job is you know, just to give us that financial flexibility really. Going well on the injection. I've just done my review and they're happy with how I'm doing, and I got 3 months supply of Wegovy sent to me yesterday. So yeah, I'm pretty chuffed about that. Very tempted to start making my own dosing and stuff like that, but I'm not. I'm just going to stick to, you know, what I'm supposed to have. So yeah, I mean, the thing is, I'm still getting the suppression from this dose. I still can't eat like a full meal kind of thing. Last week and the week before, obviously I was due to start my period and my hunger is just insane, and I've noticed the Wegovy isn't as good at combating that, so I do have to do a lot of the work myself, and that's a bit of a pain in the arse. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to be on this forever, so I've got to find a way to make that work in the long term, haven't I? But yeah, it's going well. Anyway, I'm going to go because, again, I'm rambling. We're going out for breakfast this morning with Jason's mum because it's Mother's Day tomorrow. But we thought it'd be nice to go out today, and then we're taking her to see the house. So that would be good. Just the outside, obviously we can't go in yet because it's not finished. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hello everybody. So, I'm at a very noisy Tesco. There's a young man riding around on his toy, showing off. So yeah, I'm at Tesco. So I've just gone to get some bits that we need. So we had the shopping delivered this week because I'm still trying to get used to this cleaning job and trying to kind of find a routine that works and, you know, fit the shopping day in somewhere within all that. So just to give myself a little bit of leeway this week, I had it delivered, but there were some items missing. So I thought, well, I'll get the cleaning done, which I've done, and then I'll nip out to Tesco and get the missing bits. Did that, just checking out. Jay messaged me babe, there's a crate of shopping completely missing from the Asda order. So the driver must have given it to somebody else, all my dairy products. So thankfully I was still at Tesco when he messaged me, so I went back round, got all the dairy stuff, and now I'm going home to put that away, rescue Jay from the Asda order if he needs any help with that, and then I'm going to chill out. I'm going to have a nice quiet Saturday night because I've not had one of them for a while. I'm not feeling well at all. I'm burning up, my glands are really swollen. I'm definitely fighting something. I think it's my body in shock from all this extra exercise I'm doing with the cleaning. So yeah, so I'm just gonna get my arse shifted and get to chilling out. Yeah, that I can't bloody speak either. I am burning up. Bloody hell, my face is red hot. Jesus. My sister messaged me today, and she's actually working in the local area. She's a singer. She's amazing. And yeah, she said she was at a local place near us, and I thought, oh shit, if it had been any other time I would have gone, but I just feel so crap, and I know if I go out, I mean, I could have gone out for a little bit I suppose, but I need to rest. I need to behave myself. My sister had told me to do that. So that's what I'm doing. There'll be plenty of other times for going watching her and yeah, all that. Anyway, I will see you in a bit, guys. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. So I was meant to go to the gym this morning and I've not gone because I feel like poo and I look like poo as well. All night I was just burning up and just feeling absolutely horrendous. So I'm definitely fighting something. So yeah, I woke up this morning at my usual time and I just thought, no, I'm not doing it. My gym day is going to be changing actually, so I'm going to be doing a Tuesday, Thursday, and then either a Saturday or a Sunday. And that's really just because this cleaning job starts at 5:30 and then I finish at 7:30. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday it's just not practical. I'd planned to go after work, after the cleaning on the Wednesday, and I'd actually worked longer that day because it was my first shift, and the person before me apparently had been coming in to do the work but not actually doing the work, so it was a complete mess and it needed a lot of work. So it actually took me a lot longer to do on the first shift. Plus it's a big area with lots of different things needing doing, and obviously you've not got a routine or a system going at that point when you first start. So yeah, it was just a bit of a crazy one, but even so, like, I finished just after my expected finishing time on Friday. And yeah, even then I got out and I thought, right, so if I'm going to go to the gym now, then I've got to get home and have something to eat. It's just not practical. So yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, and then a weekend day. And I think that's enough, because this cleaning job is really physical. I'm doing a lot of physical activity, which is not a bad thing at all, but I'm definitely not kind of missing out by reducing my sessions to 3 instead of 4 a week, because I'm more than making up for it with the cleaning. So yeah, but oh my god, I'm burning up again now. I'm literally sweating and it's absolutely freezing. I'm definitely not right. So today, well, I've got to do the meal prep. I can't not do that, because that's an absolute godsend during the week, especially now that I'm doing this cleaning job. So I'm gonna have to do that. Got to do the laundry, which is screaming at me at the moment. What else? Got to do all like the foodie bits, all the foodie stuff that definitely needs to be done. Laundry. And then I think I can get away with not doing anything else for today. I did want to try and do a few jobs to get ready to move, like dismantling furniture that we're not going to be using, or chucking away. Yeah, I'm going to have to try and take it easy, because I don't want to kind of work myself into getting like really ill and then not being able to work or whatever. I'm just hoping that this doesn't get worse, because I've got visits for work next week and I can't go if I'm ill. So yeah, anyway, I'll shut up whinging now. My weight, I've not had any changes since last week, so I'm still 13.1. It has been going up during the week because I weigh daily. It's been like creeping up and then coming back down and then creeping up again and coming back down, and we've landed back on 13.1. So I'm fine with that. It is what it is. At this stage, it's just getting harder and harder to shift the weight. I'm not going to see major losses. Maybe when I get really into the swing of doing this cleaning job, that extra physical activity will, you know, see me losing a bit more. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping and I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's me. So, what a day. I've not really done a right lot, to be honest. I spent half of it in bed feeling absolutely shit, and then I've spent the other half doing meal prep, which took me forever because I was just burning up and aching all over. I had to keep sitting down and gathering myself. But I got there in the end. So all the meal prep's done. So at least I know, like, through the week we've got stuff that we can eat and I don't have to worry too much about cooking. This is going to be my first full week at the cleaning job, so that's going to be interesting. But, you know, I'll just get through it, I suppose. I'm going to have to get used to it, aren't I? You know, it's going to be a massive help. And it will be worth it in the end. So yeah, that's today, guys. Luke got me a lovely card for Mother's Day and a bar of caramel dairy milk. So I might have a little bit of that later. And yeah, I'm just having a dirty coffee because I'm hoping it will help me sleep a little bit. So yeah, fingers crossed for a good week, and probably going to be quite quiet housey things wise, because, well, the searches have been done, we've passed our deposit check, all of that's been done, so they don't think we're drug dealers laundering money or anything, so that's good. So all of that's been done, so it's just I suppose the next bit is exchanging. And there's no rush for that really, because the house isn't even ready yet, nowhere near ready. So yeah, we'll just have to wait, I suppose, but it will be worth it. So guys, that's the end of this vlog anyway. Thank you very much for watching whatever it is that I filmed. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.